Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that many of you might be stressing over. What to do if you don't get into your dream college? Trust me, I've been there and I'm here to guide you through this. So first thing that it is important to remember that not getting your dream college is not the end of the world. Take a deep breath and remember that there are plenty of other amazing opportunities waiting for you. One option is to consider other colleges or universities that offer similar programs or have great reputation in your field of interest. Remember, it's not just about the name on your diploma, but the skills and knowledge you gain along the way. Another option is to take a gap year or attend community college. This can give you time to explore other interests, gain work experience, or even save money. Plus, many universities offer transfer programs that allow you to start at a community college, then transfer to your dream school later. Social media is also your friend. Use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with the professionals in your desired field. Join online communications and showcase your skills. Networking can open doors you never even imagined and lead you to incredible opportunities. Finally, don't forget about scholarships or financial aid. There are numerous organizations out there offering financial support for students who demonstrate talent or need assistance. Research and apply for as many scholarships as possible to help make your dreams a reality. So many friends, remember that not getting into your dream college does not define your worth or future success. It's all about how you adapt and make the most of the opportunities that come your way. Stay positive, keep working hard, and never stop believing in yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, you are capable of achieving greatness no matter where you go to the college. Till next time, take care and keep chasing those dreams. Till then, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.